Hey beautiful people, so in today's video I decided I'm going to do flex rods, but I was like, you know what if I like try to get like kind of a pixie style look? So who knows, I don't know. So I'm gonna go under the hooded dryer just to get it going. You don't have to do that, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of this video. You could just let it air dry, but I honestly would rather dry it just so my hair don't, you know, when it's wet and you let it air dry and it just do stuff. So I have some heat protectant here. This is the Carazon Brazilian Thermal and Heat. If your hair is on the thinner side, I would not recommend this heat protectant because it does kind of weigh the hair down quite a bit. Any heat protectant that come out like a liquid like this instead of more of a like mist is most likely gonna weigh the hair down. And as y'all see, I spray a lot. I really am not worried about it for my hair. My hair is a bit more on the thicker side, so I'll be like, give me all of it, all of it. So my hair is still wet because of course I shampooed and conditioned it. So we got that, and y'all see like my hair, the length, it's not like, it's doable for this style with the rods. I can definitely wrap some or whatever. So if I take some strands so y'all can see where it's at, you know, we got a little good little length going. So I was like, why not try to, you know, because I'm loving the fact that my curls is tight, but this is a curl can dream. I'm gonna rub this in so that way my hair ain't hungry. And that's all the product that I'm putting in my hair. And again, I did the heat protected because I'm going under the dryer. But pro tip, if it is hot out, or if you stay in, you know, high temperatures areas like all the time, put heat protectant in your hair. Like even when you just normally style it, just put heat protectant in your hair, because the sun can actually cause heat damage too. I mean, not as intensely as, you know, putting like hot tools on your head or something, but yeah, if you want to be extra cautious, you'll thank me later. I'm telling you, do I do it when I remember? Let me see if this can fit. This purple one is a good size. Oh yeah, that'll actually fit. Look at that, y'all. Okay, and as you see, I ain't got no tools with me, so I'm not even combing out my curls to place them. I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna start in the back, but that's no, I'm gonna just start up here because it don't even matter. So okay, let's go down a size. Say bald headed without saying bald headed. Well, dang. Just gonna do that on camera too. Alright, this is about being real with ourselves. Okay, so let me keep going before this one decides to jump ship. And again, I'm just gonna take sections and just go. That's the best part about having pixie cuts and all of that, is that messy is the look. Okay, the messier it is, the more it eats down. Look at me trying to stay up to date with these terms and stuff. Okay, she did that. Okay, I probably just went back in my lingo. It's cool, it's cool. I'm gonna go down one on the sides just for the sake of having different it'll add more of a textured look, in my opinion. I honestly don't know, because I ain't never do this on myself, so, and not with natural hair. So I'm gonna find out when y'all find out. Okay. I got, I skipped some spot somewhere. Y'all, some of these curlers or rollers is jumping out my head. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more heat protectant. Like I said, I kind of drowned myself because I really don't want to going in the heat with this. Why is this one up the front leaning? It's like if I touch one, it's like a domino effect. So I'm just gonna fix these two, and I'm gonna sit my happy-go-lucky self down before I mess it up. made my curl, it's made them look a little bit more defined. It's not as curly. I mean, not more defined, because my curls are tight. It's just more of a clean look. I wanted to go for like a more clean look with it. But yeah, some of y'all might not see a difference. I see a difference. Some of y'all might see what I see. But was this worth it? I don't know.